The main focus, and if you like the underlying principle of what we do in IRCSET, is that we fund the individual, the bright young researcher, and enable them to reach their true potential. We don't focus on particular disciplines, we cover the whole area of science, engineering and technology.
We've had actually an outstanding collaboration with IRCSET. Over the years have had more than 50 PhD students funded through the IRCSET scheme. We're looking forward to actually building on this, taking it actually to the next level and really looking at accessing PhDs around some key strategic themes like energy, renewables, like sustainability. So it's been a great partnership so far, and we hope we can build on that.
When you finish your PhD, if you do want to go to industry, the transition between going from your research career to industry is made much easier by the fact that you've collaborated with industry and you know how the protocols work, you know how the day-to-day running of things, the business side of things, and that's very important.
It's very important for our students to get experience, not just within academic life, but also within the broader society, within industry, so that when they graduate or when they finish their period as a postdoc, they're ready to be innovative and ready to launch into a very productive career.
Now more than ever, we need researchers, PhD students coming through the system who have worked with industry and who actually know what it is to work in industry workplace. This programme obviously facilitates that, and I think it's going to be a key platform contributing to our economic development into the future.
The advantages of the scheme to me as a postdoctoral fellow is that I can get a better understanding of how the commercial sector operates, and I can see firsthand how my research affects the end user.
We have partnered with the various government agencies. IRCSET have come to us with strategic people who are coming out of the universities looking to do PhDs, looking to do postdocs. These people will work with 3,200 of IBM's leading researchers in 9 research labs worldwide. This is giving us great benefit and great opportunity to go to IBM corporate and say, hey, Ireland is a location that is progressively moving up the chain when it comes to research and a knowledge-based economy.
The role played by IRCSET working with industry in supporting PhDs, and I suppose giving them a certain amount of commercial experience is vitally important for us.
I think from the company's point of view, we're getting to see what's coming down the track, looking, instead of 2-3 years out, perhaps 5 to 10 years out, seeing what's coming out of the research labs. It also opens us up to a world of expertise that perhaps we previously wouldn't have been able to attain, or at least not attain very, very quickly. And I guess the other benefit from an industry and employer point of view is that it's a great way of getting a look and building a rapport with the researcher in question. I mean, the idea of a success in these projects is ultimately that we're going to hire this person at the end of it. So it's effectively a year-long probation period where you're getting to know and understand how you can work with the individual and judge the quality of the work.
One of the most rewarding things that I found out about it was that Intel was able to actually take the work and apply it and put it into a real-world environment. On top of that, because they found the work useful, they were able to offer me a position with Intel Labs Europe.
In terms of Banner Concrete, they're one of the first companies in Ireland to tackle this problem. The idea of using concrete wind turbine towers as an alternative to steel. So the idea of me doing initial research would be fantastically beneficial for them to get an idea of what the market is like and what the industry in concrete wind turbine towers could have in the future, both offshore and onshore.
If both the students, the universities and the companies are performing at the highest level, I think that's only a positive for Ireland.
The collaboration between ourselves and NUIG through IRCSET is working very well for us, and it's helping us understand fundamentals of our processes and our materials, and it's a good partnership, and we're going to maintain that partnership and hopefully start a few more of these IRCSET projects in the future.